That means probability means chance of occurring or not occurring an event. Another word, chance of happening or not happening an event. So we know that probability lies between 0 and 1. In class 9 we studied. Maximum probability will be 1 and minimum is 0. 0 less than or is equal to probability PE, that means probability of an event, less than or equal to 1. There are two kinds of probability, almost same. One is empirical probability or experimental probability. That means we are doing by experiment and finding the probability. Suppose we are playing a card or playing with the die. You know, die and dice. We are playing with the die. So what are the outcomes for a die? You can do experiment. What are the outcome for a die?
One
What are
to
the
six.
numbers?
One
Zero
to
is there
six.
for a die?
No.
No. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the outcome, right?
Yes, sir.
So what we can do? Suppose what is the probability of getting 8? No chance. That means probability when drawing a die, probability of E. That means probability of getting 8. That is equal to 0. No chance. That means 0 probability. What is the probability of getting a number less than 7? So we can say probability of getting a number less than 7. That means every number is less than 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means 6 out of 6. That means 1. 6 by 6. 6 events are there. 6 outcomes for the favorable means numbers less than 7. Maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5, maybe 6. Okay, when you are throwing a die, one number will come. That is sure. So, getting a number, that means maybe 1, that means 1, 2, 3, 6 by 6, that is 1. Now, again, I am tossing a die. What is the probability of getting 5?
1 by 6.
1 by 6, exactly. Okay, fine. Now, 1 by 6, that means between 0 and 1. Less than 1 and greater than 0. Yes? Now here we can see, whenever we are throwing coin, head or tail, what is the chance of probability of getting head?
1.
Head, always head. Throw a coin. A coin is here.
1 by 2. 1 by 2.
Half.
Half.
So getting head is half, a tail is half. Maybe head or maybe tail. Then after that, we did the probability of 2 coins. I am throwing 2 coins. 2 coins together. So what are the outcomes? When we are throwing 2 coins together, tell me the outcomes. 2 coins. What will be the outcomes? 2 coins together I am throwing.
4.
How many outcomes? 4.
4.
Maybe head, maybe tail, head and tail, tail and head. Listen here. Throwing coin, second example. I'm revising only, throwing coins. One coin I told you, now 2 coins, 2 coins. Head, tail, head, tail, and last is tail. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
These are the outcomes. Now my question is, what is the probability of getting tail and head?
2 by
How many outcomes are there? Tail and head.
2.
Here also tail and head. Here
Yeah.
also head and tail mean tail and head. 2 divided by
4.
4. That is 1 by 2. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Half. So half between 0 and 1. Now what is the probability of getting tail?
1 by 4.
1 by 4. Head 1 by 4. Okay, you understood that. That means probability lies between 0 and 1. Both are included. Now, what I am telling, suppose we are on a function. This is an experimental probability. I am coming to the theoretical probability. So don't confuse too much. Both are same. Empirical means experimental probability. We can check, throwing a die or throwing a coin, we can check and do. We can throw and do that experiment we are doing. Now theoretical probability, exactly same, P is equal to number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcomes. Or as the textbook, PE, can you see PE?
Yes,
What
sir.
is that? Number of
trials in which the event happened versus total number of trials.
Okay, fine. Now last, P is equal to theoretical probability.
Number of outcomes favorable to E by number of all possible outcomes of the experiment.
Okay, fine. Then we can make short. Number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. I think we wrote that yesterday. Right there, if you didn't, please. Probability of an event E is equal to P is equal to PE is equal to theoretical probability. That means we are telling probability. Theoretical probability. That means P is equal to number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Read what you wrote, please read. What you wrote, P is equal to?
Number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes.
Okay. Number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. outcomes. I think it is short. Number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Now in this, any confusion, then please tell me. ഇവിടെ എന്തെങ്കിലും confusion ഉണ്ടോ? Understood
sir.
probability?
Yes, sir.
Now listen here. Suppose a wedding, a function is there. What we are doing? You know, there will be chicken biryani, mandi, then in Qatar, what is that? Alfam is there. Broth will be there. Now we need four, 5 items. Okay, listen here. Suppose we two and many children are there. Your friends and teachers and friends are there. So how can we apply probability? Chance. You are entering the hall, the wedding hall. There the board is there. Okay, suppose small only, not the wedding, any small function, birthday party, something like that. You know, CB chicken biryani, then mandi, alfam, then broast, then vegetarian. Okay, 5 items are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the menu. Now here, chicken biryani, suppose it is 11. And mandi, that means goat mandi, that means 15. And alfam, maybe 9. And broast, 10. And vegetarian, 5. Now suppose, listen here, you understood, I think so. Chicken biryani 11, then mandi എന്നല്ല പറയാ, മന്തി ആടിന്റെ മന്തിയൊക്കെ പറയല്ലേ, മന്തിയല്ലേ പറയാ, മന്തിയാവും, വായില് വെള്ളം വരണ്ട, മന്തി. Okay, I like mandi. Now 11, then another one, 15, red color, important. Then alfam, not bad, there is 9. Then broast and vegetarian. Suppose we are entering, many other the children of class 10, enter in the hall. Suppose a waiter is there, you saw the menu. My question is, you want, what do you want? Tell me from here, select one. I will tell you what I want. What do you want? It is very interesting. What do you want? Mandi, alfam, or broast, or vegetarian, or chicken biryani? What do you want?
Alfam.
Very good. Alfam. So my question is, there is a waiter is there, the reception is there. After that, you have to answer the question. Then only they will give you the selected item. Otherwise, another item, and not your selection. Understand? So the question is, what is the probability you are getting alfam? What is the probability of getting alfam? Then only you will get alfam. Can you tell me?
One by 9.
1 by
9.
9. No. Because we don't know, in the room full, like that only. What is the probability? Alfam separate cheedu vechilla. You go and eat, that is the way. Understand? They mix together, we cannot see. So what is the probability here? Getting alpha. Total how many are there?
9.
Alpha 9, but total food items.
11, 59. Oh, food.
Total how many? Chicken biryani 11, mandi 15, alfam 9, and roast 10, and vegetarian 5, vegetable biryani. Total how many?
49.
50.
Yes.
9 plus 1, 10, 15, 20, 2 plus 3, 50.
Yes, sir.
50. So, what is the chance of getting one alpha from this one? How many alphams are there?
9.
9. So the chance is 9 out of 50.
50.
9 out of, understand that?
Huh.
9 out of 50, that is the probability of getting alpha. That means your equation is P is equal to number of favorable outcome divided by total number of outcome. You want alpha means you will search alpha, favorable alpha, 9 search, and total is 50, 9 by 50. ശരിയാണോ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You are lucky, you got an alpha, you are eating. You got one alpha, you are eating. After that, I am coming. Teacher is coming. I need mandi. ആട് മന്തിയാണ്, നല്ല മന്തിയാണ്. Okay. Now tell me, ചിന്തിച്ച് പറയണം. എന്നാലേ എനിക്ക് അൽഫാമ തിന്നാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. നീ എടുത്തു. So what is the probability of getting a mandi to me? ഞാൻ കടന്നു. അപ്പൊ ചോദിക്കും, sir, okay. They don't know I am a teacher. What is the probability of getting a mandi for you? What you want, sir? Mandi. Okay, fine. What is the probability of getting mandi? This is mandi. Now, what is the probability? You know the probability of mandi. You can write
15 by 50.
Probability of mandi is equal to
15 by 50.
15
by 50.
No, there you have to think. How did I trap? Answer പറഞ്ഞാലൊക്കെ കഴിക്കാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. Listen here, what is the formula? What is the formula?
Number of favorable outcomes.
Probability of E is equal to, or probability of mandi is equal to PM. Number of favorable outcomes. അതായത് എത്ര മന്തി ഉണ്ടെന്നല്ലേ, number of
favorable outcomes.
mandis. Number of mandi divided by total അല്ലേ 50 അല്ലേ? Total 50 ആണ്. അപ്പൊ number of mandis എത്ര ഉണ്ട്? 50. But I made mistake, you made mistake. One you have to subtract from here. നീ തിന്നില്ല വണ്ണ്. ഒരു അൽഫാം എടുത്തില്ലേ? അപ്പൊ നീ ആദ്യം വന്നു, നീ ഒരു അൽഫാം എടുത്തു. അപ്പൊ ഇനി എത്ര ഉണ്ട് ഇവിടെ? 1 മൈനസ് ചെയ്യണ്ടേ? Number of mandi that means favorable to sir is mandi, and total is minus 1, that is 49. So the answer is 15 by 49. Are you getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Total മാറിക്കൊണ്ടേ ഇരിക്കും, തിന്നുന്നതനുസരിച്ച് അല്ല എടുക്കുന്നതനുസരിച്ച് പോവും. കാരണം അത് റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. നമ്മൾ എക്സ്പെരിമെന്റ് റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യും അല്ലേ? എക്സ്പെരിമെന്റ് റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യും. കാരണം അത് ഗെയിമാണ്, അത് അവിടെ തന്നെ ബോൾ വെക്കുക അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കാർഡ് വെക്കുക ഒക്കെ ചെയ്യും. Now listen here, 15 by 49. Okay, I got mandi, I am eating, I got 1. Now my question is, 2 teachers came, vegetarian. Okay, so what is the probability to get vegetarian? What is the probability of getting vegetarian?
5 by 48.
5 by?
Wait. 5
yes,
by.
Yes, you are right.
48.
probability of vegetarian is equal to total is 5. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
5 by
48.
tell me last 5 by
48.
48. Correct. അപ്പോൾ രണ്ട് ടീച്ചേഴ്സിന് 5 by 48 ചാൻസ് ഒന്നിച്ചെടുക്കുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ നൗ അല്ലേ ഒന്നിച്ചെടുക്കുന്ന ചാൻസ് 5 by 48 ആണ്. ഓക്കെ നൗ മൈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഈസ് അപ്പോൾ രണ്ടാളും എടുക്കുന്നില്ല ഒരാൾ എടുത്തു ഒന്ന് പോയി. That means 1 again. If 2 teachers are there, they are taking 2. As a 2, they are taking. Now from here, minus 1, that means 48, minus 2, that means 46. Now, class 9 children came. What is their probability to get him bros? How to bros travel? What is the probability? One boy came from class 9. What is the probability of getting roast?
10 by 40.
10 by
40.
40?
40.
40 അല്ല ഇവിടെ 46 ഇല്ലേ?
അതും സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യണം.
ഇവ നമ്മള് 15 ഓരോ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് രണ്ടാളെ
സബ്ട്രാക്ട്
ചെയ്യുന്നില്ലേ? 46 ഇല്ലേ?
5 by 48 എടുത്തപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ 15 അല്ലേ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്തത്. അപ്പോൾ 49 ന്നല്ലേ സബ്ട്രാക്ട് ചെയ്യേണ്ടിരുന്നത്.
No, here listen here. First one alpha I am subtracting, that means 49.
Yes.
Now 49 minus 1.
അല്ല 49 minus 2 അല്ലേ? 49 minus 2 അല്ലേ?
അല്ല അത് രണ്ടാമത്തെ കേസാണ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് കേസ് നീ അല്ലേ വന്നത്? ഒന്ന് 50 minus 1 അല്ലേ?
yes sir.
അതാണ് എനിക്ക് കിട്ടിയത് 50 minus 14. എനിക്ക് 9 by 50 കിട്ടി. പക്ഷെ എനിക്ക് കിട്ടിയത് 15 by 49 ആണ്. മനസ്സിലാവുന്നോ? കാരണം ഒന്ന് നീ കഴിച്ചു ഒന്ന് നീ എടുത്തു. After that 2 came. അവർക്ക് 5 by 48 ആണ്. വെജിറ്റേറിയൻ ഫുഡ് കഴിച്ചു ടീച്ചേഴ്സ്. ഇനി ബാക്കിയത് 46 അല്ലേ ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ. Okay. From now roast 10 is the 10 out of 46. മനസ്സിലാവുന്നുണ്ടോ?
Yes sir.
Probability of roast is equal to 10 out of 46. Then we can make it small. 5 by 23. ഇവിടെ ഒന്ന് കട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയില്ല. 5 by 23. ശരിയല്ലേ? Then what is the chicken biryani is there? Now suppose my wife came there. What is the probability of getting chicken biryani? She likes chicken. I don't like chicken biryani. What is the probability of getting chicken biryani for her? Probability of chicken biryani, CB. What is the probability? How many chicken biryani is there?
11.
11. Now 11 by
36.
11 by
35.
35 എങ്ങനെ വരുന്നു?
46 minus 11. Oh, less 46 minus 1. Okay. 45.
45. അത് 46 ഒരാളെ കഴിക്കുന്നത്. ഇവിടെ രണ്ടാളെ കഴിച്ചിരുന്നു. ഇവിടെ ഒരാള്. അപ്പോൾ 46 divided by that means 11 by 45. ഇത് മനസ്സിലായി നോക്ക്. ഇത് മനസ്സിലായി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ പ്രോബബിലിറ്റിന്റെ ഇങ്ങനത്തെ പ്രോബ്ലം ചിക്കൻ ബിരിയാണി മട്ടൻ ബിരിയാണി whatever be that
ഇതെങ്ങനെ ഡിഫറൻസ് മനസ്സിലാവാ ലൈക്ക് ഇങ്ങനത്തെ ആണോ അത് നോർമൽ ആണോ വരുന്നത്
ഏത്
ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ലൈക്ക് ടോട്ടൽ
സാധാരണ നമ്മൾ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനില് നമ്മൾ ഫേവറബിൾ ഔട്ട്കംസ് റാൻഡം എക്സ്പെരിമെന്റ് ഒക്കെ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ അതായത് ഒരു വെയിറ്റേജും ഇല്ല അതിൽ തന്നെ പറയും ആഫ്റ്റർ ദാറ്റ് യു ആർ റീപ്ലേസിങ് നമ്മൾ അതിൽ തന്നെ ഇട്ടു നമ്മളിപ്പം ബോളോ എന്തെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ ഇതിൽ കുറെ സാധനങ്ങൾ ഇട്ടാൽ ദിസ് ഈസ് ദ സിലിണ്ടർ അല്ലേ ചാവടിന്റെ പാത്രം അത് ഇതിൽ ഞാൻ ഇട്ടു Yeah. How many are there? 4 are there. Alle?
Ah.
4 or 5, something like that. As many as you want, you can take. Okay. Two black and
Blue.
one green, one red.
Ah.
So, what is the probability of green?
1/4.
1/4. What is the probability of black?
2/4.
2/4 means half. അല്ലേ?
1/2. Ah.
അപ്പൊ ഞാൻ ഇതിലെന്നെ റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ലേ?
Ah.
അതാണ് എക്സ്പെരിമെന്റ്. അതിന്റെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ മനസ്സിലാവും.
Ah.
ഇത് നോക്ക്. 2 more. Blue അല്ലേ?
Ah.
2 blue. Then after that what I did? No green. Okay. Then here one more black. 3 black, 2 blues, and 1 red. What is the probability of getting a black pen? 2, 4, 6 are there.
3/2. 3/6.
3/6, that is half.
1/2.
Now look here. One more. What is the probability of the black pen?
3/7.
3/7. Understand? Now from here, suppose I am taking one red from here and not replacing. You know what is the probability of taking red pen? 1/7, right?
Yes, sir.
Alle? 7
Ah.
diagonal.
1/7.
Now here, what is the probability of taking black pen?
3/6.
3/6. And ഒന്ന് എടുത്തു വെച്ചു. Now 3/6. Now again, 3/6 means half.
Yes.
Now my question is, what is the probability of taking blue pen?
2/6.
Yes, 2/6. How many are there? 5 ille?
5.
ഈ 5 എന്ന് 2/5. ശരിയല്ലേ?
Sir.
2/5. Now 4 are there. What is the probability of taking green?
1/4.
1/4. Now 3 are there. What is the probability of taking black?
2/3.
2/3. I'm not replacing. Now what is the probability of taking a blue? 1/2. What is the probability of taking 1/2? Now my question is, what is the probability of taking black?
1.
1. Now what is the probability of taking black?
0.
0. That is it. ഇത് റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യുന്നില്ല. പക്ഷെ നമ്മൾ ഈ കാർഡ് കളിക്കുന്ന സാധാരണ എല്ലാവരും റീപ്ലേസ്. കാരണം കാർഡ് കളിക്കുന്നത് എങ്ങനെ? പിന്നെ അങ്ങോട്ട് കൂട്ടല്ലേ, അത് എടുത്തു വെക്കുന്നൊന്നുമില്ല. ഓക്കെ, മനസ്സിലാവാൻ അത് പറയുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ അത്ര കോംപ്ലിക്കേഷനിൽ പോകണ്ട. We can see. Look here the question. Playing cards. I think I have the playing card. I told you that one more small thing is that we know what is complement. Complementary angles we studied. Tell me what is complementary angles and supplementary angles. What is complementary angles?
180 degree.
No, sum of two angles.
Sum of two 90-degree angles.
Two angles. No. That is right angle. You are talking supplementary. When two angles add up to 90 degree, they are complementary angles. Sum of two angles 90-degree complementary angles. When sum is 180-degree, they are supplementary angles. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now what I am telling, complementary in probability, complement is the, it is nothing. See a small idea only. It is here in your textbook, you can see. Page number 300, please open. Can you see probability of E and probability of E bar? മൂന്നാമത്തെ പാരഗ്രാഫിലാണ്, third paragraph. Probability of E and probability of not E. Isn't it? Probability of E, you know. Chance of occurring E. Suppose chance of happening head, that is half you told me. And your coin toss ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ half അല്ലേ? Now chance of not occurring എത്ര? That also half. അല്ലേ? Head or tail? Tail means not head. Chance of, what is the probability of getting a tail? Half. What is the probability of getting a head? Half. Okay?
Yes.
That means in another way I can say probability of head. That means one head half. Then probability of tail, that is half. This we can say probability of not occurring head. PE and PE bar. That is PE bar. Probability of
Getting.
not occurring the event. നമുക്ക് എന്താ വേണ്ടത്? അത് not occurring. Suppose we are throwing the die. What is the probability of getting a number 1? What is the probability of getting a number 1?
1 by
1 by 6.
yes.
Now, probability of getting 1, that is 1 by 6. Now my question is, this is your P, that is your favorable outcome is getting 1. What is the probability of not getting 1?
1 by 6. No, 0. 0.
No, not getting 1 means when you are throwing
Okay.
a die.
So we can get rest. Okay. 6 by 6, 1.
6 by?
6.
No. Maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 4, maybe 5, maybe 6. എത്ര outcomes ഉണ്ട്?
6.
5 ഇല്ലേ? 5 by 6. അല്ലേ? കാരണം 1 ഒന്നേ ഉള്ളൂ. 1 by 6 it is getting. Not getting എത്ര? 5 by 6 അല്ലേ? ഒന്ന് മനസ്സിലാക്കൂ. 2 ആയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ 2 ആവാം, 3 ആവാം, 4 ആവാം, 5 ആവാം, 6 ആവാം. Getting 1, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the probability of getting 1? Or what is the probability of getting 2? 1 and എഴുതുന്നില്ല. What is the probability of getting 3?
1 by 6.
1 by 6. Now my question is, what is the probability of not getting 3? The getting 3.
5 by 6.
5 by 6.
Okay.
That means we can say probability of E is 1 by 6. Probability of E bar. That means complement of complement of E. That means probability of getting not 3. Here the event is 3. So it is 5 by 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 by 6. That means, listen here, probability of E is plus probability of E bar. Probability of E is 1 by 6 and probability of E bar is 5 by 6. What is the total? Tell me, my child. Tell me. What is the probability?
6 by 6.
6
One.
by 6. That is 1. Very good. That is 1. That means in a textbook you can see P plus P dash is equal to 1. Nettan അത് കണ്ടിട്ട് നെട്ടൻ എന്താണ് ഇത് സാർ എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്തിട്ടല്ലോ കാണുന്നില്ല P plus P dash is equal to
1.
1. അതൊന്ന് അണ്ടർലൈൻ ചെയ്യും P plus P not E. That means P plus P dash is equal to 1. After that linear equation ആണ് അതൊന്ന് ഹൈലൈറ്റ് ചെയ്തേക്ക് എല്ലാം ഇവിടെ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട് getting a number, not getting a number, like that many things are there. The event E bar representing not E, called the complement of the event E. We also say that E and E bar are complementary events. Adu on underline cheythu. Adu ivide parna complementary മനസ്സിലായില്ല അപ്പോൾ ആ complement angles ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു complementary. This is important. You know why? In most of the cases, we can do by applying this law. That means not law, this equation. See, we wrote PE plus PE bar, that is equal to 1. Alle? So what is PE bar? From here, transpose it up. So 1 minus, what is the sign of P? Plus L. 1 minus P. Exactly, you know, S plus Y, that is equal to 1. So Y is equal to subject, make Y the subject of formula 1 minus XLA. Linear equation? Correct? Let me transposing. So we got one more from here. P bar is equal to 1 minus P. Ado on note this. P plus P bar is equal to 1. So PE bar is equal to 1 minus PE. After writing, please listen here. മനസ്സിലായോ ഇതിനായത് എങ്ങനെ എക്സാമ്പിൾ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും അത് ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ട് അവർക്ക് അത് കിട്ടും Any example using this probability question? That means P plus P bar. We studied probability will be between 0 and 1, both are included. Suppose we two are playing tennis or shuttle. You know shuttle, I think so, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So the chance of winning Abdullah sir is 0. Listen me. Probability of winning the shuttle PS, that is by Abdullah sir, A, that is 0.58. Listen carefully. Probability will be maximum 1. 0.58 will be is less than 1. Alle? 0.58 less than 1. 58 by 100 less than 1. Now my question is, we two, that means Nia and me, Nia and Abdullah sir. Okay. So what is the probability of Nia winning the shuttle game? From here. Think. We studied P plus P bar is equal to 1. That means PA bar. What is PA bar? ഞാൻ വിന്ന് ചെയ്യാത്തതിന്റെ പ്രോബിലിറ്റി എത്ര? That means probability of losing. From here you are getting that losing, you are winning. Here we can say, listen, PA plus PN. Probability of Nia winning the game, that means 1. Total probability 1 alle. Now, what is my probability? 0.58. 0.58 plus probability of Nia, that is equal to 1. Now you can find out chance of winning the game, probability of Nia. What is that? Transpose and find out this equation. Probability of n from here. You can make n the subject of the formula. Probability of n. Nia winning the game. I can transpose this one, no? Can I write 1 minus 0.58?
Yes, sir.
What is 1 minus 0.58? 1 means 1.00 and 0.58. Mental math you can do. That is 2. Here 9 is the 4. 0.42. So exactly 0.42. I think you understood. Serially? 0.42, 0.58. If you are adding it, it will be 1. One more question. One more question are there. Coming exam, I am sure. Like this, probability will be maximum probability is 1. Last 9 also we did, I think so. Now here, you can see the question. ഇത് മനസ്സിലായില്ല ചോദിക്കണം. കാരണം ഒരുപാട് കാര്യങ്ങൾ നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞു. Full lesson കുറെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ. Now, if you understood, you can see one question is in your textbook. Example 5. ഇത് മനസ്സിലായോ?
Sir.
Example 5 on the question number, page number 302. And read the question. Example 5 and
2 players, Sangeeta and Reshma, play a tennis match. It is known that the probability of Sangeeta winning the match is 0.62. What is the probability of Reshma winning the match?
okay. Do that fast. Don't look the answer now. Do that. 2 girls, 2 players, Sangeeta and Reshma. They are playing tennis. Before that, we are playing shuttle. Now they are playing tennis. Now what you have to find out? What is the probability of Reshma winning the match? Sangeeta won the match 0.62. You know that Reshma will not win. She will lose the match. Am I right or not? But probability of winning. That's the probability of winning. That you can find the probability like that only. So see, on the ഈ മെത്തേഡിൽ ഒന്ന് പെട്ടെന്ന് ചെയ്യും. Total probability is 1. Sangeeta PS and Reshma PR. Now what is the answer?
PS and PR. PR equal to 1 minus PS.
1 minus PS. So 1 minus 0.62. Am I right?
Yes.
So what is the answer?
0.38.
0.38. ഇനി അത് മനസ്സിലായെങ്കിൽ കാർഡിലേക്ക് പോവാം. You understood?
Yes, sir.
അവിടെ കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ. 1 മാർക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഇങ്ങനെ ചോദിക്കാം. 2/3 ചിലപ്പോൾ 2/3 ചോദിക്കും. Suppose the chance of winning a game is 2/3. What is the chance of not winning the game or losing the game? What is it?
2/3 minus 1.
1 minus 2/3.
1 minus 2/3.
What is 1 minus 2/3?
1 minus 2/3. 1/3. 2. 1/3.
1/3. Exactly 1/3. അല്ലേ? 2/3 1 part ഉണ്ട്. 1/3. ചിലപ്പോ അങ്ങനെ ചോദിക്കാം. അപ്പൊ ഏത് വന്നാലും ചെയ്യാലോ അല്ലേ? ഓക്കെ ഇൻഷാ അല്ലാഹ്. Now listen here. We are coming to the card. Card is with me. Now here, you can see this is the card. Playing card. Alle.
Ah,
Look here. Playing card. Now, we are going to play. Card is here. Page number 301. Open it. Page
300 and
number 301. Fourth paragraph. Let us take an example related to playing cards.
Ah, sir.
Now listen here. Have you seen a deck of playing cards? Yes, sir. This is the deck of playing cards. How many cards will be there? 52. 52 cards. Okay. Here, how many? This is a deck of cards. Deck D-U-C-K, deck of cards. Now, how many suits are there? Can you hear me?
Yes.
കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ടോ? How many suits? 4 suits are here. 4 suits. 4 suits are here. Okay. That means here 52 cards are divided into 4 suits of 13. That is why I told you these are cards. 4 suits are there. Each is 13. 13 into 4. That means 52 cards. 4 suits. In 1 suit, 13 cards are there. 13 into 2, 26. 26 plus 26, 2, that means 52 exactly. Or you can do like the double like that only. Now, how many 4 suits are there? That you can see different colors. What are the colors? In that suits, each spades, that means black color spades. Look here. What is this? It is pairs on. Okay. I cannot hear your sound. I don't know what happened. Can you hear me? Okay. This is the card. This is spades. Color is black. Not this here, black color. In this card, the name is spades. And one more black color is there. That is club. Look. Club card. Black color, club. That means 2 suits of black color. 2 suits. Total 4 are there, 2 suits, black. Now total black how many? 13 into 2, that means 26. 26 cards are black color. One is spades and other is clubs. Okay? Other is clubs. Now after that 2 more, 4 suits are there. Black color I did. 2 suits. One is spades and other is clubs. So please write this there. 2 suits black, one is spades, other is clubs. For time being, for till your examination, you have to remember this one. Clubs. I know playing card is with money, that is haram. We are not promoting that, but I say BSc will ask the question. That is why you can play without putting money. Now, 2 suits, 1 spades, 13 cards, and clubs, again 13 cards. 26 cards are black. Okay. After that, red color also two suits. Red pen, where is my red pen? Red. That also two suits. Here also, total is 13 into 2. 13 into 2, that is 26. Here also, 13 into 2, 26. You can write there because one suit 13. So, spades 13 and clubs 13. 13 plus 13, 26. Two suits, that means total black color suits are 26. Remember that because one black color we are taking, what is the probability they are asking? Or two red color I am taking, what is the probability? Or a red color king I am taking, something like that, only the question you can see. Then remaining, tell me what are the remaining spades and clubs I took. Then heart and diamonds. Okay, fine. Heart, red color. Our heart. This is a red color. Heart and diamond. A diamond you like because girls, ornaments, diamonds. But here heart's color is, okay, that is red. Diamond also red color is there. Diamond. So that I will show you diamonds and heart. So heart, let me check. Black color. Okay. This is red color heart. How many are this? 13. Okay, heart. Then one more color is that is also red color, that is diamond. This is diamond. This is also red color. Okay. So four suits of card. Four suits of card. I showed you according to the question what I can say the CBSE book it is the so 26 then hearts diamond. So 26 plus 26 52. But you know the numbers. What number is there in the card? Now read the textbook there again. I explain hearts, diamonds, and everything. Now after that, hearts and diamonds are red color, and clubs and spades are black color. The card in each suits are. Now read that the cards in each suits are. Tell me, read that.
King, Queen, Jack, 10, 9, 8,
Ace,
6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. Kings, Queens, and Jacks are called spade cards.
the cards in each suits are ace, king, queen, and jack. Then 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. No one. Instead of one, ace. And after 1, after 10, 11 is there. That is jack, queen, and king. Total 13 ഇല്ല ഒന്ന് കൗണ്ട് ചെയ്ത് നോക്ക് അവിടെ ace, then 1, 2, 3 up to 10. 1 is not there. 1 is ace, then 2, that means 10. 10 plus, that means 11 is jack, 12 is queen, and 13 is king. 13 card ഇല്ലേ അപ്പോ?
Ah,
Okay, fine. Now listen here, I will show you that. Let me see. Because in the class I did, so they mingle it. What is this? J. Joker, Jack.
Jack.
Alle?
Ah,
Jack will be there in each suit, one Jack.
hmm.
Am I right?
Yes.
One Jack, each suit. Red color, black color. That means red color, how many Jack will be there? Tell me. Red color, എത്ര Jack ഉണ്ടാവും?
Two.
2, correct.
Two.
2. Now red color, who is this?
Queen.
Tell me, who is this?
Queen.
Queen. You are the queen, I am the king, suppose. Queen. Here also 2 queens are there. Now, after that, maybe king there. Okay, I am here. This is the king.
Mm.
I am the king. That means which color this one?
Black.
Black color. Black color also 2 kings. Am I right?
Yes.
2 queens. 2 jack. How many as? 2 aces. Correct? 2 aces.
Yes.
Correct? Alle?
Ah.
Because one card is in one suit. You can writing again in one suit. What is first one? Ace. Then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now how many cards? ഇപ്പൊ എത്ര കാർഡായി?
10.
10 cards. We need 3 more. Which are they? Tell me.
King, Jack, and Queen.
Jack, Queen, അങ്ങനെ പറയാം. Jack,
J, K,
Queen,
Q,
and
A.
King.
J, K, Q, 9.
Jack, Queen, and King. See, I am the king.
Okay.
I am the king. You are the queen. അങ്ങനെ വരുന്നത്. King is the strongest one. King. Like that. Please write this one. What suit? Ace, 2, 3, 4. One suit. From the one suit. One suit I am talking about. Number of cards in one suit is 13. That means Ace, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack, Queen, and King. Please write. Write it. ഇനി വായിച്ചാൽ മനസ്സിലാവും. ഇനി പറയുമ്പോ ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതിയെങ്കിലും ഇങ്ങനെയാണ് വരുന്നത്. King, Queen, Jack, 10, 9, 8, 2, Ace. In the textbook you can see that.
Yes.
So King, Queen, Ace suits are the card in suits are Ace, King, Queen, and Jack. So we can see 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, then Ace, then King and Queen like that only. Yeah, King, Jack, King, and Queen. So look here. These are the cards. Total how many?
52.
52. How many suits?
4.
4 suits. Each suits how many?
13 cards.
13 cards. Now my question is, suppose I am taking one card from this one. Listen carefully. You don't know what is this. Now what is the probability of getting? This is, I know it is 3. What is the probability of getting 3? It is 3. If you are taking card, always I am replacing. What is the probability of getting 3?
1 by 13.
1 by
13.
1 by 13, exactly. Actually 4 are there, 4 by 52. Am I right?
Yes.
4 ഇല്ലേ 3 4 4 സ്യൂട്ടിൽ 4
അല്ല ഇത് ഒരു ഡെക്ക് അല്ലേ?
അല്ല, ഒരു ഡക്കിലാ പറയുന്നത്. ആൻസർ കറക്റ്റ് ആണ്. ഒരു ഡക്കാണ്. ഒരു ഡക്ക് മീൻസ് 52. ഇതൊക്കെ മനസ്സിലായി എഴുതില്ലേ? Okay. Now I am taking a card from a deck of from the packet, from the deck of card. Now my question is, what is the probability of getting 3? You told 1 by 3, 1 by 13. Is your answer?
Yes.
Okay. One more question correct. How? How many 3 cards are there? How many 3 in the cards in the
4.
4. Total how many?
52.
52. So probability of E, that means probability of getting 3, that is equal to
4 by 52.
favorable outcome. That means how many 3s are there? 4 3s are there, sir. Okay. And total 52. We can divide 2 by 26. That means again cut 1 by 30. So your answer is correct. You can think 4 suits are there. In 1 suit, 1 is there. 1 by 13. You multiply 4 alle.
Ah.
Divide 1 by 13. That's our answer one. Now look, be careful. I am taking, what is this? King. Alle.
Yes, sir.
What is the probability of getting a black king?
2 by 52.
2 by
52.
52. How many blacks are there?
Black. 13,
2
26.
suits are black. Am I right?
26.
26. So my question is, what is the probability of getting a black king? Exactly 2 by 52. Am I right?
Yes.
That means 1 by 26. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
1 by 26. Now see, a deck of card, red color is there, black color is there, 26, 26. Now check the question. The question is there in front of you. One card is drawn, example 4. One card is drawn from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Okay. Calculate the probability of the card will be an ace. Check the well-shuffling ensure equally likely outcomes. Equally likely outcome is no manipulation. നന്നായിട്ട് ഷഫിൾ ചെയ്തു, അതിന്റെ വശമൊന്നും പരട്ടിയില്ല, വെൽ ഷഫിൾഡാ. Equally likely, chance is equal chance to everybody, no priority. Then how many aces are there? 4 alle.
Yes.
Total is 52. 4 by 52 alle. 1 by 13. Now what is the question? Second, example 4 the second is
ace.
Not be an ace. ഇനി അങ്ങോട്ട് മറുപടി അത് നോക്കണ്ട, ടെക്സ്റ്റ് ബുക്ക് മെത്തേഡ് ചെയ്യണ്ട. What you can see, not be an ace. Probability of an ace.
1 minus 1 by 13.
Very good. Probability of ace. That means what they wrote, probability of E. That is your probability. Well shuffling. Therefore, P is equal to 1 by 13. P is that is equal to 1 by 13. Now, PE dash, that is equal to 1 minus 1 by 13. What is 1 minus 1 by 13?
1 by 13, 13.
1 minus 1 by 13.
Oh. 0.
No, decimal I don't want. This is 1. That means 30. Decimal I don't want.
12 by 30.
12 by 30. Correct. 12 cards. 13 on the boy. One card is on. So 12 by 30. Easy. ഇങ്ങനെ മനസ്സിലാക്കിയ ഈസിയാണ്. ഒരു ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ചിലപ്പോൾ കാർഡിൽ നിന്ന് വരും. 3 മാർക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഒക്കെ ചോദിക്കാറ് സാധാരണ. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കേസ് സ്റ്റഡി ഉണ്ടാവും. Case study means all are simple what we are doing. Now another question may be there. Check the question.
So fifth തൊട്ടുള്ള ഞാൻ ചെയ്തു. സർ ഒന്ന് ചെയ്യാൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടായി.
എത്ര ചെയ്തു? 50 വരെയാണോ?
5 6 7 ചെയ്ത് നോക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ടായി.
5 6 7. Okay, fine. അതില് 10th ചെയ്യണ്ട 11 സ്റ്റാർ മാർക്ക് കണ്ടില്ലേ അത് ചെയ്തോ
ഇല്ല 5 6 7 8 ചെയ്ത്
ഓക്കെ 5 6 7 8 അവിടെ എന്തെങ്കിലും പ്രശ്നം ഉണ്ടോ നോക്ക്
ഇല്ല സർ
probability like that 30 40 students example 10 വേണ്ട star mark not for the examination now okay example 12 ഒന്ന് നോക്ക് what is example 12 a cartoon consists of 100 shots of which 88 are good ഒന്ന് വായിച്ചു നോക്ക് 100 shot
88 are good 8
are
have
good.
minor defects and 4 have major defects. Jimmy, a trader, will only accept the shirts which are good, but Sujada, another trader, will only.
Again read the question. One card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color. Tell me what is the probability?
1 by 26.
A king 1
by 26.
26. Oh, that is wrong, I think so.
Or 1 by 52.
1 by
52.
That is also wrong. How many kings are there? Tell me.
2.
Red color 2 kings.
Yes.
That means the probability of 2 by 26 or 1 by 13. 2 kings are there.
Okay.
So the probability red color. Okay, I'm using red pen. 2 kings are red color is there. So 2 by red color. 2 kings. 2 suits 26. That means 1 by 13. Most of the case 1 by 13. Remember that because 2 suits divided by 2, 1 by 13. Now second one. What is second bit?
A face card.
A face card. Okay, what do you mean by face card?
King,
First
Jack, and Queen. JQK.
Okay, which are the face cards?
Jack, Queen, and King.
Okay. So understand the question. This question is 14 second bit. 14 second bit. First bit is over, second bit. So a face card, any color they're telling? No, a face card. So what is the probability? How many face cards are there in a suit?
3, 6.
In one suit, 3 are there, no? Then how many suits are there?
4.
4. 4 into 3?
12.
12. So
12 by 52.
12 by
52.
52. That means we can divide it. What is it? 3.
3 by 13.
3 by 13. Divide by, you can divide by 4. 3 4s are 12. 52 divided by 4, that means 13. 3 by 13. You can think 3 out of 13. Because in one shoot, 3, no?
Yes, sir.
3 by 30. Okay. But first you have to write 12 by 52, then 3 by 30. Now third bit. What is the third bit?
A red face card.
A red face card. A red face card. Again red color. Okay, third bit. A red face card.
3.
So what is the answer?
4. 12.
Red, two suits are there.
Mm.
Face card, one suit, two or three are there. So total how many red face card?
3. No.
രണ്ട് suit three ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ.
Eh?
Yes, yes.
Red card.
You are coming to the point. Yes. Two suits.
Yes.
So in two suits, how many face card?
2. No. 3.
In
3.
one suit, three are there. In two suit, 2 into 3.
6.
6.
Ah.
So the question is A. What is the
Red
question?
face card. Yes, up to 6 by 52.
Okay. A red face card.
6
That
by
means
52.
6 by 26. No. Red
52,
face
right?
card 6 out of 52.
Ah.
A well shuffled card we are taking. That means 3 by 13. One card is taken from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a red face card. Okay, fine. That means 3 by 13. Then the Jack of Hearts. 4th one. The Jack of Hearts. The Jack of Hearts.
Mm.
Tell me what is the, how many Jack are there?
Sorry. 4.
Jack.
4.
4 out of 52, but a Jack of Heart. Heart is one suit.
Yes.
In one suit, how many Jack is there?
1.
1.
1
So
by
1 by 52. 1 by 52. 1 by 52. A Jack of Hearts. Are you following me or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, 5th one,
A spade.
a spade. How many spades are there? How many spades?
2.
Spade means?
No, 1.
No. Clubs and spades are of black. That means that spade is one suit only.
Yes.
In one suit, 13 are there.
13.
So
13 by 52.
13 by 52. 13 by 52. A spade card, that means 13 by 52. Last but not the least, the Queen of Diamonds. You tell me the answer.
1 by 52.
How many queens are there in a diamond?
1.
1. Okay. 1 by
52.
52. Exactly 1 by 52. Last 1 by 52. Okay. I think this is more than enough, I think. Okay?
Okay.
Okay then. Thank you.
Thank you,
Have
sir.
a nice day. Thank you.
It's fine.
Take care. Bye.